What is good, Juice Gang? Today we got a 2-in-1 video. First part is gonna be an unboxing of the brand new Turtle Beach XO 700 Stealth Gen 2s. I don't know if it's still called Stealth or just XO 700 Gen 2s. And then an Elite Series 2 controller, because these are my two favorite accessories that I'm going to be using on the new Xbox Series X and S consoles. The second part of the video is going to be about my pre-order experience. Well, all the shit that I went through today. Like, it was a wild day. But hey, I secured my pre-orders, and hopefully y'all did too. Alright, we about to get into this video. Alright, y'all, so the first unboxing is going to be the Elite 2 Series 2 controller. I'm going to put this down here. But basically, I already got an Elite Series 2 controller. I just got this just to begin to just unbox it for y'all, along with the XO 700 Stealths, because these are the, like I said, the two favorite accessories that I'm going to be using the most on the new console. So without further ado, let's get into this. I like how you unbox these. Very easy. That's a little pull tab right here. Basically a little pull tab right here. You pull, opens it up. There's another one on the bottom, and y'all seen plenty of these videos online. There's the back of it, the other side, the front, bottom, nothing on the bottom. Alright, pull the tab at the top, pull the tab at the bottom. Woo. Open. You know, we get that special case. And what else is in the box actually? It's to the side. All the other stuff is in the box. Is the charge sync cable, USB Type A to USB Type C, braided cable. And this should be like manuals and Game Pass, free trial or some shit. Manual, warranty, Xbox Game Pass free trial. Y'all can have that. I don't need that. All this stuff back in. Alright, let's put this off to the side now. Time for the big thing. So, Elite Series 2 controller. Got the, I don't even know what D-pad this is called actually. The controller, you got four interchangeable paddles on the back. 3 levels that your right trigger and your left trigger can be adjusted. You got the charging block, basically. It's kind of sticky, but yeah, the charging block. All the accessories that comes inside. This is to change the tension on your thumbsticks. Another additional D-pad, 2 more thumbsticks, and a tall thumbstick, and also a concave or convex thumbstick, my bad. And it's that simple. I'm not very excited about this because I already have one and I know what it's like, but this is what I'm excited about. This right, or XO Stealth 700 Gen 2s. This shit came in the mail today, and came in all this little white wrapper and shit. Okay, so this is the front of the box, back of the box, side, other side. Let's get into it. y'all seen this before I see it. This shit is like, I ain't gonna lie, this is very, 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 very minimal. I didn't think Turtle Beach was gonna do it this minimum, but basically you got a headset right here. Y'all are probably wondering why I got these. I was using the SteelSeries 9X, and those are a great headset. Like, those are really good, but for some reason I always like the way Turtle Beach is sounded in game, like Call of Duty, Battlefield, everything. Like, I always prefer Turtle Beach over any other headset. I had some Astro A50s, the Generation 3s, not the Gen 4s. The gray and green ones, not the new black ones. And they were good up until the last year that I had them, and they like cut out from the Xbox so many times. Like it was so much interference. It was bad. I couldn't game on it. Like, every time I get into a fight, the headset would cut out, and then it'll cut back on, and then it'll cut out, and then it'll cut back on. Like, I got tired of shit, so I broke the headset and threw it away. So I picked up the 9X. 9X, wonderful headset. I recommend it to everybody that plans on getting the new console, or that's getting these, or that's currently gaming on Xbox. But these are $50 cheaper, and I want to see what these are like. Okay, I thought I heard some rattling and shit. Okay, but yeah, these are $50 cheaper than the Arctic's 9X, and I will be testing and making sure that they sound like classic Turtle Beach, because Turtle Beach is like one company that always done sound great. Their superhuman hearing, I ain't gonna speak on that. That's some BS right there. But everything else, like the stock levels for the Turtle Beach, always come out the box A1. And I'm gonna be rocking this for a minute. I might try the new A50s, but I kind of don't want to put my money in Astro no more. That's $300 headset, $300, and the shit was cutting out like every game I was playing. I ain't doing that shit again. This is what else is in the box though. You got Stealth 700 Gen 2 manuals, and I'm guessing warranty information. Let's see, do y'all get anything special like stickers or something? Okay. Yep, you do get a sticker. Turtle Beach always comes with stickers. Let's see what else. And just manuals. This connects to the Xbox via direct connection, so just like the controllers connect, you gotta sync it up with the Xbox. If you turn on your headset, your Xbox will turn on, but if you turn off your headset, your Xbox will not turn off. USB-A to USB-C to charge the headset. Alright. That's that. So on the headset actually, you have nothing on the left cup, or nothing on the right ear cup. Actually, yeah, nothing on the right ear cup, but everything's on the left ear cup. You got the USB-C for charging. You have indicator light for syncing, and I guess Bluetooth probably. You got a Bluetooth button. You have power button. You have your mode button. Then you got two dials. One is master volume, and the other is whatever you want it to be, really, because you can change the second slider. But yeah, you can lay them flat on your shoulders, as you can most headsets nowadays. And this is just basically a simple unboxing video. I'm not going into deep on all the other stuff. There's plenty of videos out there for them. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my two favorite accessories that I will be using on the next gen console, along with my current gen. Let's put this down. But yeah, alright, so now on to the second part of the video, and that is pre-orders. So today's September 22nd. I didn't think that I was going to be able to get an Xbox because I thought I was working 2 day, but I got the call last minute saying I didn't have to go in. So I was just BSing last night. I already knew that I was going to go to GameStop and try to get a pre-order at GameStop, but I didn't know what time I was going to GameStop. So my friend called me 2 days before and said GameStop's getting like 9 of them, so we need to be there at like 5 in the morning and make sure we camp out basically. So I was like, okay, cool, I'm with it. Yeah, so my friend called me, said we gonna camp out at like 5 or whatever. I went to GameStop the day of and like made sure that they were doing the pre-orders and how they were doing them, asked how they were doing them. They told me, yeah, they had 9 consoles or whatever, and they were doing first come first serve. So I went home, ate food, and slept. Woke up around like midnight. My friend was that called me 2 days prior was like, hey man, did you go check out the line? I was like, nah, I'm just chilling right now. And something told me to go check out the line, so I got up, went to go check out the line. It was already 3 people outside waiting, and I got out my car. I asked them how many more people were coming. They were like, they don't know. 2 people left because they didn't want to wait outside. And basically, I was like, okay, I'm not leaving. I'm third in line. They got 9 consoles. I didn't know if they were like 9 S's or 9 X's or were they split or how they were split. But basically, I just sat in my car, waited for my friend to pull up. He pulled up. He got the 5th place in line. I was 4th, and basically we just camped out for like a couple hours, 3 hours, until like the 6th person showed up, and then the 6th and the 7th person showed up at the same exact time, and they showed up around 4 in the morning. Everybody else was showing up at like 5, 6. Some people were even walking up at 7, and I looked at the door, and the door actually had what they had not on hand, but how many pre-orders they were doing for in store. So the door said 9 Series X's and 2 Series S's. Everybody in that line wanted a Series X. So it was like, who's gonna like where's the cutoff, and how many people are gonna like trade off their X for S, or how many people are gonna actually stay and get their and get an S if they don't get the X. So they got the line. Everybody basically ordered what they wanted to get besides the X. There were like 12 additional people that did not get a console, that were just waiting outside unless they scored online. I don't know. After I got mine, I went to the mall at another GameStop and we got 2 more consoles. So my friend, he got one, another Series X, and I got a Series S from my other friend because he wasn't able to get off work and get one, so I got him one. And then while I was on my way to the other GameStop to get the Series S, I scored online on the military exchange website and got another Series S. So I got 2 Series S's, and then leaving that GameStop on my way home, Amazon opened their pre-orders, and I got a Series X on Amazon. So this was like 50 minutes after the release. So I got the Series X, Series S online, Series S in store, and another Series X online. I was extremely lucky to get all these consoles, but basically all the ones that I got are going to be played, going to be used for good purposes. They're not going to be sold, they're not going to be scalped, there's not going to be any of that stuff. Like, I got mine for myself, another one for my friend, another one for my homeboy, and another one for my roommate, because my roommate is transferring to Xbox now. He's a PlayStation guy. But yeah, every console that I got is going to be used, not going to be sold over retail. But yeah, that was my pre-order experience. A lot of people didn't get their consoles. I feel bad. A lot of people on Twitter are calling me scalping, or calling me a scalper, but I quite frankly don't give a fuck, because I got my shit, and if you don't have yours, that means you slept, you missed out. So not the case with everybody though. If you truly wanted one and you didn't get one, I apologize, but the other people that are just complaining, if you slept, bro, just say you slept. But yeah, that's basically all that happened today. My pre-order experience, my favorite accessories, what I'm going to be doing with my consoles, etc. But yeah, hey, I lost a lot of content. I lost a memory card like yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I think it was the day before yesterday. I lost a memory card because I was going to work and I was going to edit some videos on my iPad Pro. But I lost a fucking memory card from my house to work. I don't know what the fuck happened. I went from my house to my car, and then I went to work. So the memory card's gone. I gotta create all new content. I gotta do all new videos. But we're gonna get back at it.